Ngayong adlaw mga Kasimanwa, welcome to our special episode of What's Up Iloilo, Season 1 Wrapup. I'm your Tito Mike, your resident NPA.
Hello everyone, and this is your Manong RG, ang piringmi ninyo suki sa balita kag chismis.
And I'm Claudette, your tita of truth, serving you real talk with a side of sass.
Kami dito sa set, we are ready to look back, laugh, celebrate everything we shared this season.
Tapos na ang 14 episodes pero hindi pa tapos ang mga memories kag experiences naton. So this episode is all about gratitude, fun, and behind-the-scenes moments. Hindi Claudette?
This episode is a chance to highlight some of the amazing guests we've had. Plus, we'll be sharing bloopers and moments that didn't make the cut.
First, gusto naman magpasalamat sa tanan nga nag-upod sa amon throughout Season 1. To our listeners, friends, and supporters, salamat gid sa inyong time, energy, kag support. You made this journey possible.
True gid Tito Mike. From those who tuned in every week to those who shared our episodes online, your feedback, comments, and enthusiasm kept us motivated, mga Kasimanwa.
And of course, a special shout out to our sponsors who believed in us from the start. Your support helped us bring these stories, discussions, and fun moments to life. Like Star Media, Prime Off, X Factor, of course.
Speaking of bringing things to life, this season wouldn't have been the same without our incredible guests like Direct Kevin Piamonte, Sir Eric de Vinagracia, and Sir Miel, and recently our last guest, Denver
Tahan Langit.
Yes.
And now, let's revisit our 14 episodes this season, starting from episode 1. Tito Mike?
So, episode 1, we kicked off talking about dating, love, and modern Ilonggo approach to relationship. Episode 2, we tackled a fun relationship, all about navigating family dynamics and love.
And for episode 3, we focused on mental health awareness, while episode 4 went into red and green flags in relationship. Very timely gid mga Kasimanwa.
Yes, episode 5 was all about miscommunications in relationships. And
Yes.
episode 6 gave us insights on ghosting, why it happens, and how it deal with it.
Okay, and episode 7 was our Ilonggo food trip, featuring our first guest, Direct Kevin Piamonte. He shared about bugsay, how it reflects Ilonggo culture, resilience, and importance of family.
And for our episode 8, it was a very brave and inspiring HIV awareness. Our own guest, Mr. Milton Timan, shared his experiences, struggles, and advocacy as an HIV positive individual.
Episode 9 took us out of the studio, of course. Oh my God,
Yes.
I enjoyed that day. It was for the first time at the Sunset Boulevard, exploring stories beyond the usual setup, right?
That's
And
right.
as episode 10 highlighted Ilonggo talent in theater arts with our guest,
Mr. Eric de Vinagracia.
Yes.
A legend.
And episode 11 was practical for adults, budgeting and financial tips. And episode 12, of course, was all about Christmas practicality, intention spending, and real meaning of gifts and presents.
And for episode 13, we highlighted New Year traditions, feng shui practices, lucky foods, and meaningful resolutions, and helping us start the year with reflection and positivity.
And episode 14 was all about Soul GS, sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression. With our guests, we learned how to talk about these topics with empathy and how to help even those who are unfamiliar or confused to understand this concept.
Nice.
And to highlight, we have some questions, ngaging prepare, ano ang pinaka-paborito ninyo nga episodes, Tito Mike and Tita Claudette?
Who's gonna go first?
You.
I thought it's gonna be ladies first. Okay. Okay. I will volunteer that.
Oh, really?
Volunteer.
Maybe ghosting. It was fun.
Why ghosting?
I like that.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Uh, t-
I don't know why. It's just
Is it because you can relate to it more? Did you ghost someone? Or
I was ghost.
were you... Oh, that's the reason
I
why.
thought ikaw ang pang ghost, Inday.
No.
Ikaw galinging ghost. Aray ko po.
Basta I like that.
Aray mo.
Doka all-time favorites. Though all ages. Kayo
Ikaw.
pa ng relationship niyo?
Ako siguro ang ang financial.
Ay, grabe kasi
Wow!
Di, syempre, I'm getting old. Wow! Nauyang po doon. I'm getting old.
You know, once you're old,
Siguro, I
siyempre
think,
bills.
one lesson I've learned from those talking with you, Tita Claudette, Tito Mike, ang mangin responsible nga pag-budget sang kwarta. Kaya amo ginakinahanglan ko subong. I'm getting old. Basta mapakada ko sa duwa ko pag subong today. Pero amo na siya ang
pag-getting old.
getting
No, I don't like getting old. Okay.
Anyway, RG and Tito Mike, each episode brought something unique, right?
Yun nga sasabihin ko eh. Sa akin, ang favorite is all the episode, especially the learning part of it. Dahil every episode, I've learned something. It changes my perspective to things. Sunod, syempre,
I like that.
mental yung pinaka-paborito ko.
You're like old. No, you're only constant naman daw in this world is learning.
Learning,
Yeah.
exactly.
I appreciate when you said that, no, na we keep on learning each day. Open-minded ka lang, hindi mo pag-close ang mind mo nga as if ikaw lang ang correct.
Biglang nagbago yung naisip ko, yung sinabi mong open-minded. Hindi.
Mind lang.
Straight.
Open. Yeah. Mga kasimanwa ko, ang importante gid is that bisan ano nakita sa estado sa kabuhi, bisan anong naagenda sa edukasyon, always remember that the only constant in this world is learning. No, we learn from each other. Bisan ano pa ka na-graduate, no, kung hindi ka pa na-graduate, hindi ka perfect. So may ara ka mga bagay nga nabalaan, pero may ma-learn man ka gyapon sa iba. Like for me, example, I'm a high school teacher. I always learn from my students every day. Ikaw may siguro, RG, no? May mga
Yes.
pag-ugid kita yung mga learn. So, hindi kita maghambal nga. Kita gid ang mind.
I like what you said na sabi mo na kahit na ano yung trabaho, kung saan ka man nag-graduate. Because a lot of people may they took it differently na
Yeah.
ako galing ako sa UP, galing ako sa West Visayas, galing ako sa and I'm supposed to be smarter than everyone. May mga ganung klase, especially mga kabataan ngayon,
Yeah.
feeling nila ganun. But I've seen people na like si Claudette, she's very smart. She can memorize a lot of stuff. Pero hindi ang Lord hindi binibigay lahat sa isang tao lang eh. So that's why there are things na hindi rin siya malakas. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung ano yun. But
Pwede mo hambalon.
sa relationship.
Wait lang.
Okay, hindi ko na sasabihin. When it comes to relationship, so what can you say about it? Dahil yung sinabi ko, di ba, yung matalino ka sa lahat ng bagay, pero when it comes to relationship, siguro hindi.
Wow! Assuming! Galing-galing ni Mike! Sarap sa panin!
Hindi. Pinapasaya ko lang. She's very smart when it comes to relationship.
Okay, let's not talk about me. This episode is not for me. Okay, continue, Mike. Episode brought something unique. Each episode. Ano yun para
Di ba
sa'yo?
sinabi ko, like I've said earlier, the learning that we've got, I like all the episodes that we have. But, ang pinaka-paborito ko yung mental health. Pero parang ang daming pwedeng ang dami nating na-share noon, especially about ourselves. We actually opened up at that time.
Oh, it was hard, ah. It was hard for me.
Oh yes, I know.
Yeah. I mean, it's not...
Even kay Ars, maganda yung sinabi niya dahil how the hardship goes. But
It's easy to face people and camera when you interview other people. But when you talk about yourself, actually,
it's kind of heavy.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's way different, no? And this time, they reminded us to pause and reflect on our experiences, to listen and empathize with others, no? And syempre, sa pagpamati sa aton, pagpamati ko sa inyo, I learned something mandira. And it builds connections from us and also to our audience.
That's true.
And actually, we're doing this podcast, well, it's It's for awareness naman, di ba?
That's true.
Not only to teach or to say something about Ilonggo culture, but also for us to, just like what we've said, to learn something. No, we learn, we give, we learn. It's give and take, actually.
So basically, it's about knowing or learning. It's about understanding ourselves better, seeing, and also, seeing the perspective of others, creating meaningful bonds with our family or in our family and communities. Ano pa ba? Yes, of course, friends. And in short, basically, every episode encourages us to grow a little as people and together with our mga kasimanwa sila.
In everything that we do naman, no, mga kasimanwa, if we open ourselves, we actually learn and grow.
Yes. And of course, no, sa learning sina and sa may grow sina. Of course, ini tagid malipatan ang mga funny moments,
Yes.
mispronounced words, laughing fits, and unscripted banter, no? O banter.
Exactly.
Okay lang na siya, nobody is perfect naman. So, for me, kung nakadlaw ka sa mga mispronunciation ko, French ka, lantaw to, kakabalo.
Hindi lang na. Behind the scene is where real fun happens. Sometimes chaotic, pero full of heart and learning naman, di ba? Nag-enjoy naman kita.
So that's right, Mike and RG. Let's take a moment to relive some of the funniest, most memorable moments from this season. Get ready to laugh, cringe, and maybe even feel a bit nostalgic as we watch this compilation.
Minsan, di ba, is yes. Okay. Well, minsan mga kasimanwa, hindi gid perfect ang recording naton. May mga nahimo nga typo sa script or sa subtitle, may mga linya nga nalipatan or nabulol, kag may mga funny moments gid nga hindi plan.
Pero amoy na ang fun, Tito Mike, no? Inday Claudette, no? Those laughter-filled, unscripted, and spontaneous moments made the season feel real, relatable, and full of warmth, no? And it showed us, no? Nga hindi natin kinahanglan maging perfecto sa tanan para maging memorable ang ating experience.
Yeah,
You just
no,
have
mami.
to be yourself.
Be true to yourself. Nobody
Yes.
is perfect naman eh. Ako boring, na-bored gid ko yan sa mga tao nga feeling perfect.
Uy, nag-board ka sa ako?
Wait lang!
Or maambal ka ta, huwaw na naman.
Wow!
Hindi, just to break the ice, I just don't want everyone to get bored. Siyempre dapat always enjoy tayo.
Imperfections bring joy naman.
Yes.
And it create
Laughter and making memories truly unforgettable. Ang pinaka-importante, nag-enjoy kita, nag-share kita, na-feel din natin ang connection, hindi lang between sa aton sa set, kundi most especially with our viewers.
Yeah.
Siguro feeling ko ga-enjoy man nato nga camera.
Yes!
Sir Jo, Sir Jed, si Ma'am Dai. No? So, thank you, Gibbs.
Well, season 1 has been more than just talking about dating, mental health, Ilonggo culture, personal growth. It taught us how to share knowledge in a way that connects to laugh together and even in imperfect moments and inspire each other to reflect on our own lives. More than the topics themselves, it is about building real connections and, of course, of practicing respect and cultivating understanding within our community. And, of course, syempre, yung family natin, friends, and mga kasimanwa, fellow Ilonggos.
And magtatapos ng season 1 pero hindi ang aton nga pag-ugdanay.
Yes!
Even as we wrap up this season, the relationship we've built with our listeners, guests, and among ourselves will continue to grow.
This is actually something special sa team naton eh.
Yes.
It's not really planned nga doging gusto ta, no. I think it's the plano sang Ginoo.
No? Kaya tuga ka sadya man lang, we're not even earning from this, no? More ang gasto. But it's,
We enjoy this.
yeah, we enjoy a lot. The gasto ganito si Ban nga ibagay, di ba lang? But, you know, these are the things that money cannot buy.
Parang advocate kasi tayo. As long as we actually help, we reach, kumbaga, our voice being heard by a lot of different people. So, sa akin, okay na yun eh. That's already a success for me.
And season 2 will bring new stories, new laughs, and new surprises.
Yes.
But the heart of this podcast, connection, empathy, and fun remains the same.
This episode, along with all our experiences from the past episodes, reminds us that everything doesn't have to be perfect, right? Just in order to experience meaningful growth, every conversation, every laugh, and every moment of reflection contributed to making us better individuals and building a stronger community.
Imperfections bring joy, create laughter, and make memories truly unforgettable. Ang pinaka-importante, nag-enjoy kita, nag-share kita, kag na-feel good naton ang connection. Di ba? Hindi lang between diri sa aton, kundi, most especially, sa atong mga kasimanwa,
course.
viewers. Di ba?
In our case, we commit to continuously improving ourselves so we can share even more insights and inspiration as well, Tito Mike and Tita Claudette.
Of course.
And also encouragement with you, mga kasimanwa, in your day-to-day lives. So, mga kasimanwa, madaming magiging salamat sa liwat for joining us, for listening, and for being part of this. We hope you laughed, reflected, and learned something with us. Makita ay kita liwat sa Season 2.
With more stories,
More
And more
fun,
meaningful conversations, I'm Claudette.
I'm Tito Mike.
and I'm your Manong RG. See you in Season 2 of
What's Up,
Iloilo?
What's up, mga Kasimanwa?
What's up, mga kasimanwa?
What's up, mga kasimanwa?
I'm Claudette.
I'm Tito Mike.
I'm Manong RG.
Mark your calendars because every Saturday,
We'll be dropping our
Podcast.
we will be talking local stories
trending issues
Hidden gems,
and everything that makes Iloilo
worth talking about.
from dating issues to fun facts,
local talents to timeless traditions.
We've got it all.
straight from the heart of the city of love.
So don't miss it
Tune in.
Chill with us.
and get ready to say,
What's up, Iloilo?